Hey everyone, welcome back to the class, and this time we'll be learning remainder theorem. As you can see on your screen, you see this one we are going to learn. So theorem is given in your book. You can check out your book. Let p of x of any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1, or let be any real number, if p of x is divided by the linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is pa. Okay, a lot of things are there. Okay, I will try to make you understand this one. Okay, what it said, let p of x is any polynomial of degree, okay, greater than or equal to 1, means the degree of that polynomial may be 1 or it's greater than 1, okay. And let, like for example, it says let any real number like p of x is divided by linear polynomial. Linear means whose degree is 1. That means linear. Okay. So it says that, suppose for example, let me show you here. P of x is divided by this one, x minus a. Okay. So it is divided, and you can get some remainder over quotient over here, and you got some remainder as a r of x. Okay. So it says that you are asked to find out this is already theorem is given to you. So whatever may be the value of this, that will be the remainder. Okay. If it's linear, that will be remainder. Okay, let me explain. You see, it says that let p of x be any polynomial with a degree greater than or equal to 1. We are talking about this polynomial inside the is a dividend. Okay, so that's a greater than or equal to 1. Suppose p of x is divided by x minus a. Okay, you can see this is linear. Linear means whose power is 1. Okay, power, this is power is 1, so we can say linear. Okay, if it's x square minus a, then this is not a linear, this will be quadratic. So, and the remainder is r of x. Okay, whatever the remainder will be. So we got like this, you see, p of x, this one is equal to, we know already about this one, divide, that if we divide 2 3 is 6. So if we multiply this one, this 6 is equal to 2 into 3 and plus remainder, so which is 6 only. Okay, so that's why they wrote like this in this form. This is your divisor, x minus a, and this is your quotient and plus remainder. Okay, same format. You can see, since the degree of x minus a is 1, because it said already that x minus a is a linear, so degree will be 1, and the degree of rx is less than degree of x minus 1, so the rx is equal to 0. Listen it properly. As we are dividing p of x by this, degree is already 1. Okay, so whenever we divide it, of course this r will be, it will be less than the degree of this one, because we are dividing it. Okay, I will give you example. That time already I gave you some like important points over them in previous class. You can check it out. So degree is x minus a, so it means that degree is 1, then of course we can have only rx as a 0. This means the rx is the constant. Constants may like which cannot be changeable. Constant, say r. Suppose we took some constant number, whatever number may be, that will be there when we divide like this. I will show you the example so that you can understand it properly. So that will be constant number only, say r. So the every value of x, whatever value you are going to put, you will get some constant value. Therefore p of x minus this is your equation. We just multiplying this and adding the this one remainder. Okay, so suppose we can put the instead of x, you will never get something like this. You will be getting like the x minus 2 or x plus 2. You will be getting like this divisor. Okay, so whatever may be, suppose it's 2, then we'll put the value of 2, and if you put that value of this number, then you will get the this will give you equation. Okay, you see, we are just putting the value of in place of x, and we got the answer a minus a is 0. 0 into anything is again 0, plus r is equal to r, which proves the theorem. Okay, so this theorem, you remember, just remember it, that in such case, if you're dividing with the linear polynomial, then remainder will be the, whatever number will be there, that will be the remainder. Okay, if you are still not understanding, don't worry, we'll do the example on this topic so that you can understand it properly. Okay, so I will try to help you with this one. So let's see this one. Example number 4, because last time we have done up to example number 3. So see this one. Using the remainder theorem, find the remainder. This is our p of x. This is our p of x. So we can say solution. Let given polynomials, sort I'm writing, you can write one, b, p of x is equal to x power 4, x power 4, you can say 3 x to the power 3 and plus 2x to the power 2 and plus x minus 1. This is given, and whatever you see, it's divided here, it's a linear number. Okay, because power of x is 1, so we can just write, just writing g of x. Okay, and g of x is equal to x minus 2. Okay, we give this one as equation 1, we can give. So now we need to divide this one, but as we saw the theorem that whatever number will be that over here, that will be the remainder. Okay, so we'll do one thing. Then after p of x is divided by g of x. Suppose we divided with this 2, okay, and then after what happened, for finding the 0 of g of x, we can simply write it down like this. We get okay, get, we'll just putting g of x is equal to 0. So you see, we have x minus 2 equal to 0, so we'll put the 2 will go the side, it will become plus, and this is the value of 0. Okay, I hope you have understood, maybe, because if you see the remainder, then you will understand it properly. So it is the 0 of g of x. Okay, so we'll put this value in that form and we can get the value of x. Okay, it's very easy. You see, in that one we learned the p minus a, isn't it? So we got the value, whatever maybe that a is there, then we'll got that one. Okay, so on putting x is equal to 2 in equation 1, we get, because we suppose some example, this one I can see, you can see your previous earlier, just we wrote that one, so we'll just see, we'll write the, otherwise we'll just, instead of x we'll put 2. Okay, 2 power 4 minus 3 2 power cube plus 2 power square plus 2 minus 1. We'll just put the value. Okay, I can see 2 power 4. What does it? 2 power 4 is 16. Now if I'm doing directly, then you may not understand. Some of you, those are very not understanding and at all. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16. Okay. So we got this one is a 16. 2 cube means 8. 3 times you have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 8 3 is 24. Plus 2 square means 4. 4 to the 8. 2 minus 1. So we'll add all the plus. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 and this will be 26. Minus and minus will be plus, but minus sign, and that will be 25. So if you minus it, you will get the answer 1. So we'll just say, hence, the value of P of 2. If you are asked to find out in remainder theorem, then only you will apply this method. Otherwise, you have to do the direct long division method only. Okay. Which is the required remainder. You can write on dividing that equation. You can write on dividing this, okay, by this. So this was your example 4. I hope you have understood it properly, and it was easy, not that much tough. If you are still finding then difficulties, then please rewatch the video. And this was your answer. Simple. Okay. We just need to put the value, whatever we are getting, x. Okay. Because just now we saw that one. Just now we saw. Okay, let me rub so that I can show you. Okay. Just see. We just read that one. If the px is divided by the linear polynomial xa, then the remainder will be p of a. Can you see? So whatever the a will be there, that will be your things. Okay. This is the xa, and remainder is p of a. So this was easy, I guess. Okay. So if it's easy, then we can move to the next question. So we'll be doing this one. Okay. Later on we'll do this one. We'll do this one. No, not this one. We have just done this one. Okay, this one. This is also super easy. Okay. If you're finding difficulties, then comment down. And if you think this is easy, then just say easy. Let me know. But just now I'm going to do it. And after doing this one, you will say, this is really easy. Okay. So let's do it. Solution is you find the value of k. Here we have the equation. This is the p of x. So we'll say the let p of x is equal to x power 51, 2x and power 60 and 3x plus k. This is your, what do you say, px. So we can say g of x is already given, and g of x is equal to x plus 1. Okay. So this is divided. So given that, you see already it says that it's divisible by x, means it can be divisible by this. So it is given that p of x is divisible by g of x. Then I'm just writing this one. Otherwise you can write x plus 1 also, no problem. So after this we can just write, therefore because this is given to you. Therefore, g of x is equal to 0. Then I'm just going to write like this. Otherwise, you can write for finding 0 of g of x. Okay, I hope you can see it properly. Finding zeros of g of x. So you can write g of x. Since g of x is equal to 0, we'll write x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can just write x will go to the side minus 1. Okay. So you got the value of 1. Okay. So after this, you then have to do on putting x is equal to minus 1 in p of x, we get, you see I'm just putting directly, this x was there, so 51, okay, plus 2 minus x is there, no? 60, and one more x, and then plus k equal to 0. You see, minus, if you multiply minus into minus, it will be 1. And it's an even number. Even means 1 and 2. 2, 4, 6, these are the even number. So, as we can see, this is 51 is an odd number. So, if it's odd number, then remember, this you will get the minus 1 only. Okay? But if it's even, then you will get positive. So, minus 1, if you multiply positive times, you will get 1 only. So, 2 into 1, it will be 2. 3 into minus 1, it will be minus 3. Plus k equal to 0. Now, minus and minus will be minus 4. Plus 2 and minus 4 plus k equal to 0. So, I guess this is easy. I'm just adding this negative one. Okay. So, now, plus 2 and minus 2 will be how much? It will be minus 2. Plus, I'm just doing it 2-3 times. Otherwise, I can send this one that side. The k, this 2 will go that side and that will become 2. Okay. Therefore, value of k is equal to 2, or k is 2. So this was your answer for example number 5. I hope you found it easy, and if you find out easy, then please do like so that I can at least know, and subscribe to the channel, because if I'm uploading some important videos, then you will get the notified first. Okay. So okay, let's see the example number. I have not given 6. Okay. Solution. So the remainder of polynomial, okay, when divided by x1, it shows this one. So now this and this, when it's divided, we have to show this one. Okay. So it's easy. So we'll do as it is. You see, your method will always be same. It will not be different. Let f of x, you see, p of x, we can take, no problem. You're just writing f of x. Okay. It doesn't make any sense. Anything. Okay. Same thing. F of x. Okay. This is minus 2x. Okay. I'm just writing the question. You see. Okay. I didn't write. Okay, when divided by this one, you have to show this. I think I have mismatched some question. I think this is 2. Yeah. So we can say, when f of x is divided by x minus 2, okay, then the remainder is of course f of 2, because we just learned in theorem whatever things that will be f of a. Okay, if it's px, then you can say it's just a polynomial. Okay, we are adding function because it's like a, b, all these things are added here. Okay, that's why we are adding f. Now after doing this, you can do one more thing, because we know about this one. We'll put the value. Okay, otherwise we'll just do it on putting x is equal to 2. You see it's minus 2 now. So when you will do like this equal to 0, it will go that side 2 and become plus 2. That's why we are adding as a 2. So when we put like that, putting x is equal to 2, so we can get f of 2, okay, is equal to this one. We'll just put the value 5 plus, and this is your okay, I think I'm doing something wrong over here. I have to check the question. Okay, really sorry for this. I think I have written the question. Something wrong is there. Okay, let me check the question. Okay. Oh yeah, I have not written one line over here, which was, okay, when divided by x2, okay, from there is, I'm just writing from here, is, really sorry for this, is twice the remainder when it is divided by x plus 1. Okay, so these two things are there, so we can just do it according to the needs. So we can follow this one also. So x, and this will be plus b 2, because value is 2 na? Again square 2 plus a 2 cube. So when we solve this one, please write this question properly, because it says twice the remainder. Okay, so we got this one, so it will be, okay, let me 5, it will be 2b, okay, and this is 4, 2 square 4, and 4 2 is 8, and 8a, okay, 2 cube 8a. So we can write here 8a, I'm just writing in the first one, 8a plus 2b, and 5 and minus 8, this will be minus 3. Okay, now when, because it is also given that this number is divided by this also, okay, x minus a. Earlier we have done x plus 2, okay, but now it says that it is divided by x plus 1 also. So we'll write when f of x is divided by x plus 1, then remainder is, because it is plus na, so it will be, just take it as a minus 1, because x plus 1 is equal to 0, 1 will go as a minus 1, okay. So this is a minus 1. Then therefore f of minus 1 is equal to 5 plus b minus 1. Okay, I forgot the, okay, and then minus 2 and minus 1 plus a minus 1 cube. Okay, we got this, so we can do it properly. This is your 5 minus into plus into so minus b, minus into minus will be plus 2, and of course this is not going to be plus because minus 1, if you multiply minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, 1 means that you will get the 1, but if you multiply again you will get the minus a. Okay, so we can say minus a, we can write first minus b, and then 5 plus 2, that will be not plus, is it? Okay, this is minus, and some square is there, I think. Yes, a square, yeah, square. So there will be minus only because minus into, okay, I'm starting from beginning. 5 b minus into this one minus, but minus 1 square means minus 1 into minus 1, it means 1. So if you multiply 2 into 1, 2 into 1 you will get 2 only and minus sign only. Okay, and this is a 1 cube, means if you multiply 3 times you will get 1 only, and minus 1 into a will be the same, and 5 minus 2, that will be plus 3 because 5 is your positive, which is bigger. Okay, so this is your, now according to the question, it says, let me see, you see, according to the question, it says when divided by x plus 2 is twice the remainder when it is divided by this x plus 1. So let's solve this one. Twice the remainder, okay, remember that. Okay, so as according to question, it says that whatever the f of 2, it will be the twice the remainder of x plus 1, which is this, isn't it? Twice the remainder, so 2 into this. So we got f of 2, we got 8a plus 2ab plus 3ab. Okay, we got 8a plus 2b minus, okay, no, not this one, 8a plus 2b minus 3. Okay, now 2f, just now we got 2 minus a minus b plus 3 equal to this one. Okay, so 8a plus 2b minus 3, we can just write minus into 2a minus 2a minus 2b, and this will be 6. So we'll bring this one this side. Okay, so it will be 8a plus 2a will be 10a, 2b plus 2a, and 6 and minus 3, and that will be minus 6. Okay, and whatever left here, it's 0. So we can see it will be 10a plus 4b, and it's a minus 9 equal to 0, but it's not as it is in our question, because your question says this should be 9 should be outside. Okay, equal to 9. So we'll do according to that only. So we can write 10a plus 4b and then equal to 9. So we can say hence proved. I hope you have understood this one, and this wasn't tough for you. Yeah, I did a mistake here because the question was mistake, but we have done it properly right now. So I hope you have understood it properly, and if you understood, then please hit like. And till then, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon in the next.